Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome into the nursery. It's slowly but surely coming together. There's still so much to do in this space and bits and bobs everywhere, especially in the back of the screen that you can't see right now. As you guys saw in my last vlog, we were putting together this dresser and I'm so happy with it. We had this antique dresser that I love, and it was in this room when it was the guest room. I just could not handle the drawer situation. I love a good antique secondhand dresser, but I needed something new because I just needed something that had easy access to drawers and I didn't have to be pulling them and shutting them, because I'm going to be getting into these drawers multiple times a day, because this is going to be the changing table up here, and then we're going to put that mirror up on the wall, and it still needs to get sorted out. But I did start organizing the drawers and they're starting to look really good. I'm just kind of putting them in where I think I'm gonna want them. I have more organizers coming in the mail, but for now I just kind of wanted to start putting stuff in the dresser, so I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Right now I'm going through this laundry basket of new items. They're not necessarily dirty, obviously, because Babe's not even here yet, so she's not using any of these things, but they're all new, so I want to clean them all. So I'm going to put them all through the laundry. Right now I'm just kind of sorting them out. So I have things like bed sheets for the bassinet and bed sheets for the cot that we actually just returned. Side note, I just returned a cot that I bought. I thought we need to get this now because by the time we get back from the holidays, I'm going to be so pregnant that we're not even going to be able to do anything. And I pretty much had it in my head that we were going to give birth right when we got back from Christmas, but obviously there's still some time. I am going to be 36 weeks pretty soon, so we're right around the corner. I'm not denying that. But the good news is, or the news that helps with this situation and helped me decide, is that the baby is going to be in our bedside bassinet in our bedroom for the majority of the beginning stages. And so the cot can come when I'm ready, when I find the right thing. And what happened was we purchased that one in person at a Black Friday sale. How cute. And then when I started looking online, oh my gosh, I'm not going to be able to just talk to you guys normally while I'm going through this stuff, because look at these pants. Something about baby pants just gets me. By the way, here in New Zealand, they say cot. In the US, we say crib. So I go back and forth. But those of you from the States watching this, a cot is a crib. But I saw so many other cribs online when I was perusing after we made that purchase and we brought it home, that I just never opened the box for that crib because I was like, I have a feeling this is not the one. And I never do that. I hate bringing something from a store in a huge box and then going back and returning it. That was not what I wanted to do. But when I started looking at other cribs online, I was like, I don't even like the crib that we got. That is almost 3 times the price of what all these other cribs are online that I love. And so we were just like, well, then let's return it. And we were able to because we had never opened the box or anything like that. So we're at square one with the cot situation. I'm still kind of just perusing and looking, but I don't feel super rushed because the baby's not gonna be in this room all of the time when she comes. I'm not super fussed about it being completely finished and perfect by the time she comes. Would I like that to be the case? Sure. I ordered a cozy rocking chair that's not here yet, and it hasn't even shipped yet. So there are things that I would love to be in this room, especially that, because I'd love to read to her there at the beginning, but I don't know how much reading you do in the newborn stage. How cute is this? Look at the sheep with the little feet. This is 3 months. Oh my gosh, this is just adorable. I have no words for how adorable this bonnet is. My mom's friend knitted this for us and sent it over with her for Christmas. And can't you just imagine baby girl frolicking around outside here in the countryside with a little lamb following her in this bonnet? So cute. gonna take a quick break from nesting in the nursery, and I'm gonna make some quick and easy dinner. Thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to be working with them, especially during this season of life. I'm going to continue using HelloFresh through the newborn stage and everything. We have used HelloFresh for the last couple of nights, and it is so easy. It's quick. It's not a lot of mess because everything's already kind of measured out for you. And what I love about it is that you try different things that you wouldn't have tried. I feel like you can get really stuck in a routine with dinner at home, and you kind of have go-to meals that you continuously do that you like, but it just becomes kind of boring after a while because you always make the same things. That's kind of what happens to us. I was looking through the last 3 options that we have. We had the best spaghetti last night with beef and like carrots. It was so good. And we had leftovers for lunch today of that. I think tonight I'm gonna go with the plant-based basil pesto and courgette risotto. So I found my meal with the matching pink sticker like it told me to, you see, and now let's get started on it. Having a meal selected for dinner with the ingredients already measured and the recipe right there, it's honestly priceless. Like I said, we are totally gonna continue this on through the newborn stage, and when my mom comes and stays with us after the baby comes, I'm gonna have HelloFresh there so she can just put meals together and not even ask us what we want to eat that night. We don't have to go to the grocery store. It's just gonna come to our house every week, and it's gonna be so convenient. You can get $175 off of your order by using my code HelloCarrieFresh. That is an international code, so anybody watching my channel can use that code. I live in the countryside of New Zealand, and HelloFresh comes to me. Now I'm gonna go enjoy my meal. It's the next morning. I did get quite a bit of work done in here yesterday, just sorting through the clothes. So I have everything in different categories, and I'm just gonna wash them and then pop them into the dresser. I'm gonna show you guys how I've started organizing the dresser. So as you can see, I got this little swivel mirror, squiggle mirror that I'm going to be putting up on the wall. And we used these lamps in our guest room, but they work perfectly in the nursery. They're so lovely in here. There's this changing tray and changing mat that I really like. So what I've done is the first 2 drawers in the dresser are more like burping cloths and diapers, and I'm gonna put the wipes in there and everything. So I'll show you guys how I started organizing it. I'm sure things will move around as we continue to get different things that we need, but I'm happy with how it's started so far. This is the first top drawer on the left. I ordered more of these organizers recently, so they'll be coming in so I can use them for other drawers. This doesn't belong in here, I just put it in here, but a viewer sent us this. How freaking cute is this? This is going up on the wall as decor. Little sheepies. There's a little sheepy theme going on in this room. This drawer makes my Virgo heart very happy. So we've got newborn nappies here. We've got some nappy change cream and just other little balms that are great. And then, I don't know, I randomly put this little lavender scent in here, but there will probably be something more important going in that later. And then I've got some pacifiers here, and then some little electronic pieces. This is a mobile sound machine, and then this is a digital thermometer to just monitor the humidity and temperature of the room. So I'll set those things up, but I've just put them in there for now, and I'm sure this area will get filled up more, but that's just kind of the beginning stages so far. This is the top right drawer, so more just like essentials in here. We've got a bunch of baby bath product like wash and shampoo, some body lotion and stuff like that, birth cloths here, and then washcloths here. and some more washcloths, and then some bath product. So this one's a little thermometer to put in the bath, and then of course, little bath friends. I got these two, the seahorse and the turtle, when I was in Mount Maunganui, and then my cousin sent us this little cow, which I think is so cute. And then I just put some other little bits and bobs back here that I will open up and put in proper drawers, but this is like a little healthcare kit. And then I've heard a lot of people love this product, the Frida Baby 3-in-1 nose, nail, and ear picker. And then like a little inkless print keepsake for when baby comes. You can keep the size of her hand, so that's super fun. Then we have this drawer underneath the top right, which has a bunch of her hats. It has some swimsuits. Again, I have more of these organizers coming in, so I'll be filling this out the way that I want it to be a little bit more later on. Some hair bows, and then little newborn onesies. And then this is underneath the top left. We've got socks and then some sleep sacks. And then once I wash the rest of that clothes, there will be more stuff going in here, but for now I just put more of the newborn nappies that we have. We are very sorted on nappies for the beginning stages. That is another baby word that is different in the US versus New Zealand. They say nappies first and foremost here. They say diapers too, but I think that they say nappies most of the time. And then in the States, we say diapers. So on the top of the dresser, like I said, I have this changing tray and changing table. And obviously when the mirror's not on it, that'll be functioning properly. And then we need to put together the baby monitor that we have. We have not opened it yet, but we got the Nanit. And then she's got a little jewelry box, which when I first heard it, it made me cry. My mom bought this for her when we were in Mount Maunganui traveling at one of the little nursery shops. It has a little bunny that's chasing a butterfly on its nose going around. It's so cute. Right now there's other random bits and bobs on here. Like this will probably be on a shelf or somewhere else. And obviously this won't stay here. I probably won't keep the jewelry box here. There's also like this little daughter plaque that my mom actually gifted me that I've put on the table here, but I'll probably put it somewhere else on like a shelf when we build them in here. But I've just put them on here for now because this is going to be, I'm so out of breath. This is going to be a changing station, so it'll just have like wipes and nappy cream. My favorite part of her bedroom though are her views. She has 2 windows that overlook some pretty epic views and so many hydrangeas outside of her window, which is so lovely. This is another organization situation that needs to be organized and sorted out, and some of those organizers that are coming in the mail are going to go in here because I'm going to have more diapers here, more nappy cream, a bunch of different postpartum items that I will want for healing and stuff like that. And this is going to be like my postpartum cart that is going to go in our bedroom. It's going to be right next to the bed, and it's going to have everything that I need in the middle of the night because we're going to be using this bedside cot. I might have shown you guys this before, but this is the bassinet that we're going to be using for baby girl next to the bed. This piece clips out and then these zip down so that in the middle of the night I can just pick her up from the bed and do feedings. And this is what I'm just keeping in here for now. It has wheels, which is great because we can roll it out of our bedroom and put it in here in the middle of the day for naps and then bring her back in the room for the evening. And then once we figure out what crib we want, we'll move this out of the way and that's where the crib will go. And then this folds down to travel size, so this can just be a portable bassinet for around the house, but then also for when we travel, we can just go on a road trip and then fold it up, put it in a little travel bag, and that's a travel bassinet. I cannot wait to start hanging more stuff up on the walls, but I'm just kind of waiting until I know exactly where everything's going because I'm waiting for that rocking chair, like I mentioned, and I kind of just want to know where things are going to be and how tall they are before I put things up on the walls. But these Beatrix Potter paintings that I got for a steal at a secondhand shop, I just want to find more like this. And I don't know for sure if I'm going to do any wallpaper, like I mentioned, above the board and batten. I kind of wanted to do like a little woodland creatures one, but I just don't know if we're gonna get around to it right now. We could maybe do it after she comes, but there's also a big part of me that just kind of wants to leave it because I know that I wouldn't want the woodland creature thing on there forever. And so I'm kind of just like, I don't know, I'm kind of practical in that way where I'm like, do I want to do something that I'm not gonna want to keep forever because it just sounds like more work later on. So I'm kind of going back and forth on that. I love the way that it looks right now, and I don't know if it's gonna make me feel like it's too busy if I add that. So I have a feeling we're gonna end up not doing it, but there is a little part of me that kind of wants it. I have this nursing pillow that I'm very excited about. I haven't pulled it out of the package yet, so this will be the first time that I see it. My brother actually got it for us off of the registry, but it comes with this little linen cover, and I think I'm gonna put it on right now, but I'm gonna keep it in here just to keep it nice and clean until baby comes. Because I didn't want to put the case on and then just like leave it around, but I think putting it on and then keeping it in that nice little bag will keep it lovely. But I love the striped linen. It just feels so light and airy, but also just like clean and crisp. That was actually pretty difficult to get on. It's like squeezing into a little sausage, but this is very pretty. I just need to zip it up. We are heading to Wellington for a couple of nights, and we've just packed up some small duffel bags. We're just doing like a little getaway, and we will be back in a couple of days. And I have so many plans for more things that I want to do when I get back. Like the bathroom vanity drawer, all these different drawers that I just want to get into. We've already started on the office closet, doing a clear out. We're both in that nesting mode. Alex's nesting mode is firewood and getting rid of things, which I'm totally into the getting rid of things and the firewood because we want to keep a warm house. And my nesting is just like wanting to organize and clean everything. And I just called about the rocking chair, and it'll be here in probably like 2 more weeks, which will be good. I wish it was going to be here sooner, but you know, can only do what we can do, you know what I mean? So I really enjoyed you all joining me on this vlog, kind of giving you guys an update about everything that's going on with preparing for the baby. Thank you very much to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. Definitely check them out if you guys are interested and get that discount code, because that's a really good discount. And I will see you all very soon in the next one.